Hi, you're welcome to Hilltop Tutorials. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Let's solve this question. Find x if the square root of x plus the square root of x is equal to x. Solution. The square root of x plus the square root of x is equal to x. Square root of x plus square root of x is equal to 2 square root of x. It means 2 root x. And this is equal to x. From here, you can do this by squaring both sides. Then 2 square root of x square is equal to x square. Then we have 4x is equal to x square. X square minus 4x is equal to 0. Then we have x to x minus 4 is equal to 0, which gives us x equal to 0 or x minus 4 equal to 0. Then we have that x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 4. This is the final answer. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.